Friends, if you notice that you are getting headaches while listening to subliminals, start taking more frequent breaks in between. I have noticed that marathoning subliminals back to back 4 hours at a time can be hard on the mind. Be kind to yourself, stay hydrated with water, be aware of, and practice good posture. Breathe fully and deeply often throughout the day. Experiment with the breaks. Try listening in sessions of 2, then taking a break for at least 10 minutes. Then you can go back in with either the same subliminal or a different one. Sometimes this type of management can be hard to do when juggling 4, 5, and 6 subliminals, but there's no rush. Slow down. If you need to take on less to have a better and more thorough experience, then do that. I have done that myself. There's nothing wrong with taking on say 4 or 5 subliminals, but if you can't handle it, then change it up. This isn't a race. Don't feel pressured to have to fix all these things about yourself. We need to stop thinking that we have to hurry and fix all this shit about ourselves, because you cannot do complete. You can only be complete. Stop doing, start being. When I realized that I am already complete as I am, it made it easier to accept taking a lighter load. The process becomes much less stressful and more enjoyable, so decide what is comfortable for you. Okay, thanks for listening guys. Have a good day.